Hey guys, it's Jordan Christina, and today I'm back with a new video. And today we're going to be doing this new nail trend that I've been seeing a lot on social media, which is the acrylic toes, where you put acrylic on the toenails. I don't want to put the acrylic on these toes, on her toes, so what we're going to do is polygel. So I have my sorry, can you give your feedback? I have my MAKARTT Polygel builder kit, so we're gonna do some polygel nails on her feet. So when you open up the box, I got this a while ago, so I've had it for a minute. I really do like it. So it comes with all of these different colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes with 6 different polygel colors. It also comes with a primer and not primer, but base gel and a top coat gel. They're in my nail drawer behind me, so I'm gonna get those in a second. And then it comes with all of these different, I guess, nail tip things for you to use. I think I can use one of these for her big toe, but for the smaller toes I'm gonna have to use a just use the brush that it comes with, and I can't use these little nail forms. So we're gonna get straight into the video. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to do, and today we are going to be using the white gel, or the white polygel, which is called Bright White, which is number 006 on her feet. And also it comes with a brush as well. You guys have probably seen me use the brush before. I normally use it with acrylic when I am, not with acrylic, but with the gel when I am wiping off some of the extra gel polish. Sometimes I use the brush that came with this kit. So to start off with, we want to work on a clear base, well, a clean base, and we can see that her feet have a little bit of old polish still left on it, so we're gonna see if we can try to take some of that off. Next, what I'm going to do is go in with my nail file, and I'm just going to shape up her toenails just a little bit. And this is my 100 by 180 grit file, but I'm going to use the 100 side. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with a little bit of alcohol on my napkin, and we're just going to wipe off any of the dust that's on the nail. So first I'm going to go in with the MAKARTT base gel, and I'm going to put the base gel on her toe. Right now I'm just measuring to see which tip I should use, or form I should use for her big toe, and the number 3 form seems to fit the best. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my dapping dish, and I'm going to pour 91% alcohol in my dapping dish. So you need to see which line you want to go up to. You can see on the nail form. Let me see. It is not focusing. Well, on the nail form there are little like indicator lines so you know where you want to stop at. So I'm gonna just put it on her toe again just so I can see what line I want to go up to, which is about the second one. So you just squeeze the polygel out with the brush that they give you, the spatula side. You just scrape it off. You put it inside of the form, and this can be just a little bit sticky, so be careful. And then with the other side, the brush side, you just dip it in your alcohol and you just push it and rub it in. We have it in the form. I did it off camera, and now I'm about to attach it to her foot and then put her foot underneath of the lamp. So the nail has cured under the lamp for about 60 seconds, and to take it off you just squeeze. So it looks pretty good, honestly. It's just that we will have to fix up here on this cuticle area because too much like seeped out of the nail form, but we'll fix it up. And also you can see that it is kind of like a little bit of gap in the color right here, but I'll just go over that with my white nail polish instead of using more of the nail forms or more of the polygel. Okay, so this is what her toes are looking like right now with the polygel on them. I am going to go and, well, we still need to shape them up. Like I said, I want to fix the cuticle area on this toe, and then on some of them where you can see like the gap in the color, I am going to apply some white gel polish to those to make them look nicer. And then after you have cured them, you just want to go and get an alcohol wipe and just wipe down the nails because they can be a little sticky. I'm going to go ahead and do this other foot off camera, and then we're going to come back. So I wanted to come back to show you guys what her feet look like in the end. It's definitely not the best, but I guess, you know, practice makes perfect. I don't like them at all, but yeah, it was practice. This is my first time trying these polygel, well, trying polygel on feet. They just look, I mean, like, it's nice, they're flat, they're cute, but it's like they look super messy, especially like on the corners and the ends. Like, I definitely could have done a better job with it, but I mean, they're not the worst, but they're not the best either. So yeah, even though it was a fail, I still wanted to come back to show you guys. I kind of stopped recording because I was kind of getting, not irritated, but more upset that it wasn't turning out the way I wanted it to, so I shut the camera off. But I wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the end. So thank you all for watching this video, and make sure you guys stay tuned for my upcoming videos, and I guess bye.